Do you know what Christmas is about? What's Christmas about?
Christmas is when Santa is coming.
Christmas is when Santa is coming?
The Santa Claus gives us a present.
Santa Claus gives you a present? Really?
Yes. Santa gonna bring for me a present.
A present? What kind of present do you want?
I want a doll.
A doll? What kind of doll?
A princess doll.
A princess doll. Are you a princess?
No.
Ginny, what kind of present do you want?
I want my diary.
A diary? What do you do with your diary?
I wrote something what I do at weekend.
On the weekend? Okay, that sounds like really fun. Ginny wants a diary. What kind of present do you want?
I want Juju cooking bag.
Juju cooking bag. Are you listening, Santa Claus? Juju cooking bag. Did you tell Santa Claus?
No.
Not yet?
Yes.
You did tell Santa Claus? Okay, well maybe Ginny's gonna get a diary. And Santa is going to bring you a present?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
What is Santa going to bring you?
Santa is gonna bring me a Nintendo.
A Nintendo?
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry... What's that called?
Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Woo-hoo!
Happy New Year.
Bring Bob lots of presents.
Bring Bob lots of presents.
Doobie, Doobop. These are the presents the kids want from Santa Claus. Now, let's sing some Christmas carols.
Kids English School.
키즈톡톡